given the relation R, which is equal to collection of all integer mn, collection of all order pair mn, such that where m and n are integers and distance between m and n is less than or equal to 4, check whether R is an equivalence relation. Now, what is given here? Any two integers, the relation R is defined on, set of integers, that is two integers are related if and only if their distance or absolute value of m and n is less than or equal to 4. Okay, we want to check whether it is an equivalence relation. If we write some elements, some numbers of relation R, for example 1 2, then 3 5, -3 -1, these all numbers order pair belongs in set of it belongs in relation set R, because their distance, their distance is less than or equal to 4, or absolute value of m and n is less than or equal to 4. So, first we want to check whether it is a reflexive relation. Now, the distance between, for every a belongs to z, or m belongs to z, distance from m to m is equal to 0, and which is always less than or equal to 4, and therefore, this implies m is related to m for every m belongs to z, and therefore, given relation m belongs to set of integers, and therefore, given relation R is a reflexive relation. Now, symmetric, if m related to n implies the distance between m and n is less than or equal to 4, or absolute value of m minus n is less than or equal to 4. If you take minus sign outside, then n minus m is less than or equal to 4. We know that the mod of AB is equal to mod of A into mod of B. So, this implies absolute value of minus 1 is n minus m less than or equal to 4, and the absolute value of minus 1 is absolute value of n minus 1 is always 1, and therefore, n minus m is less than or equal to 4, and this implies n related to m. Therefore, if m related to n implies n also related to m, and therefore, R is m related to n implies n also related to m, therefore, R is symmetric relation. Now, third, transitive relation. Now, the distance, the phi u1 belongs to R, set of phi u1 belongs to R, since the distance between phi u and 1 is less than or equal to 4. Also, the distance of 1 and minus 2 is also, or 1 minus 2 are related, because the distance between 1 and minus 2 is also less than or equal to 4, because their distance is 3. But if you determine the distance between phi u and minus 2, then it is equal to 7, and which is not less than or equal to 4, and therefore here you can see that the 5 related to 1 and 1 related to -2, but 5 does not related to -2, and therefore the given relation R is not transitive relation, and therefore since R is reflexive, symmetric but not transitive, and therefore R is not an equivalence relation. Therefore R is not an equivalence relation.